So now that we got what we're looking for, what we're gonna do with it? A harvest being done, now we need to enjoy it. And I hope you do it as well. If you have other recipes, let me know in the comments. I'll appreciate, because I'm always looking for something else. And until then, have a good harvest. Snip in here. Looking good. As you saw, I use a pre-made sauce. You can use any type of sauce you want or make your own. It's just a lazy way to put everything in a bag and cook it. And that's what game is about. But be able to go out, hunt it yourself, give you that liberty, give you that scope for you to be prepared to fail, I suppose. If you have something that you'd like me to try, to cook some species of game that I can actually have my hands on here in the UK, let me know in the comments. Let me know, and if I see it's feasible for me, I'll go out, I'll try to hunt it, I'll come back to the kitchen and see what I can do with it. A different type of sauce is on the menu. But thank you for watching. Catch you all later.